Removing old window tint from a car can be a bit of a challenge. But it's definitely doable with the right tools and technique. You can safely and effectively remove old window tint from your car yourself. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to remove old window tint from your car. Park the car in a well-ventilated area to ensure proper airflow. Clean and dry the windows to remove any dirt or debris. This will make the tint removal process smoother and more effective. A heat gun is an essential tool for removing old window tint from your car, as it helps soften the adhesive. Use a heat gun or hairdryer to warm the tint film, softening the adhesive for easier removal. Hold the heat source 2 inches from the window and move it around to heat the surface evenly. Avoid focusing on one spot to prevent damaging the glass. This will make peeling the tint much smoother. Start at one corner of the window. Use a razor blade or utility knife to lift the edge of the tint. Once you have a small corner peeled up, slowly pull the tint off the window. Try to pull at a 45-degree angle to minimize damage to the glass. After removing the tint, adhesive residue will likely remain on the window. Rubbing alcohol is an effective solution for removing the adhesive residue left behind after you peel off old window tint. It helps break down the sticky remnants, making it easier to clean the glass without causing damage. Mix rubbing alcohol and liquid soap in a spray bottle, then spray the solution generously onto the car window. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen the adhesive residue. Use a plastic scraper or razor blade to carefully remove any leftover adhesive. Be sure to work slowly and avoid applying too much pressure to prevent scratching the glass. After removing the adhesive, clean the glass thoroughly with water to remove any remaining residue. Use paper towels or a soft cloth to wipe the surface. This will leave your window clear and spotless. A razor blade scraper is a highly effective tool for removing old window tint from your car. DEKAON's razor blade scraper is perfect for removing stickers from car windows, labels from containers, and more. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip, making scraping tasks easier. To change the blades, simply rotate the knob on the back, remove the old blade, replace it with a new one, and fasten the knob. It is ideal for removing glue, stickers, grease and paint from a variety of surfaces like glass, metal, and cooktops. So with these steps, your car's windows will be free of old tint, ready for a new look or a fresh tinting job.